Hello everyone, welcome to the It.Right.Net channel, where we share expert knowledge and insights about Triumph motorcycles from a technician's perspective. Today, I'm going to show you how to adjust the preload, damping, and compression of the suspension on the Triumph Rocket 3 GT. All information about the suspension system settings is clearly outlined in the owner's handbook. You can access it anytime on page 143 under Maintenance. First, we'll look at how to adjust the preload of the rear suspension. The preload adjuster is located next to the rear shock body. The bike from the factory comes with the preload set to the minimum position, fully anti-clockwise, which is ideal for solo riding in soft mode. However, when riding with a passenger or heavy luggage, you should adjust the preload to position 9, as shown in the setting chart in the handbook. On the bike, turn the adjuster fully anti-clockwise to reset it. Then, turn it clockwise. To position 9, you will hear a clicking sound with each full rotation. The compression damping adjuster is located at the bottom of the rear shock unit, and you can find it on the right-hand side of the bike. First, use a flat screwdriver to turn the adjuster fully clockwise to the closed position. In the fully clockwise position, the rear shock is in the stiffest mode. Rotate the adjuster anti-clockwise to decrease the damping. For example, to position 3 for solo riding. The rebound damping adjuster is located behind the right-hand side panel of the bike. Rotate adjuster clockwise to increase and anti-clockwise to decrease damping, rebound. Similar to the compression adjustment, turning fully clockwise puts the shock in the closed position, making it the stiffest. Rotated anti-clockwise to soften the setting, for example, to position 3 for solo riding mode. If you're unsure at any point in the process, please start over from the beginning to ensure the rear shock is adjusted to your preference. After adjusting the 3 items above, don't forget to take a test ride to ensure everything is set to your liking. The front suspension on the new bike comes from the factory set to the standard solo riding mode. If you'd like to adjust it to your preference, the specification chart is shown on page 100. You can adjust the compression on the front right suspension. Turn it fully clockwise to the closed position, then rotate it anti-clockwise and count the clicks according to the chart. You can adjust the rebound on the left-right suspension. Turn it fully clockwise to the closed position, then rotate it anti-clockwise and count the clicks. According to the chart, that's all the information about adjusting the suspension on the Triumph Rocket 3 GT. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I hope you found this helpful, and I'd really appreciate it if you like and follow my channel. Thank you.